My name is Jonathan Garcia. I am a physician assistant at Montefiore, Department of Orthopedics. I actually work with Dr. Kim. I work alongside with him. We actually take care of a lot of knee pain, do a lot of joints, knee replacements. I also run my own clinic here where I kind of focus on non-operative management of knee arthritis. I do a lot of injections. I do a lot of hip injections, knee injections, shoulders. I try and keep people away from surgery. However, if it's inevitable, then we go to the operative side with Dr. Kim. What's rewarding about doing orthopedic surgery is that a lot of patients get better. People progress from being in a lot of pain to no pain. I mean, why do I like working at Montefiore? I mean, I like taking care of the Bronx. I'm from the Bronx, so getting to take care of the people that I kind of grew up with and live in this neighborhood. Montefiore is a real great institution. I love Montefiore. It's a great place to work.